Welcome to Business Minded with me, your host, Angie B. For those who don't know me, this is a real podcast about real business talk, real situations, and hey, things that cost you money, right? So we're going to get this thing right. This is not a motivational podcast. This is not a get-rich-quick conversation. And this is not advice from someone who read a book and got excited. Today, we're talking about this. You're not stuck. You're avoiding the decisions that changes everything. Y'all, this is real business talk from real experience with real consequences. Spending decades in an industry where mistakes cost real money, real time, and real credibility. Construction, operations, business ownership, leadership. And one thing I know for sure, most people don't fail because they aren't smart. They fail because they don't know how to decide. So if you're here for hype, this isn't it. But if you're here for clarity, judgment, and truth you can eventually use, you're in the right place. Now, let me say this plainly. Let me start with something nobody wants to hear. You're not stuck. You're not confused. And you're not missing information. You're avoiding the decision. And before you turn this off, if it makes you uncomfortable, it means this episode is necessary. I know someone smart, capable, experienced. They had the skills, they had the contracts, they had the people already asking, when are you starting? But every time it came up, it was the same line. I just need one more certification. I just want to tighten the plan. I don't want to rush. 2 years pass, 3, 4, 10. And then someone else, half the experience, half the knowledge, started anyway. They charged anyway. They learned anyway. They didn't win because they were better. They won because they decided. Preparation didn't fail the first person. Indecision did. Let's talk about the most expensive $50 people spend. The LLC. Now, that's if you do it yourself, because if you use a company, it's going to cost you more than $50, all right? I've seen people file it, print cards, open bank accounts, and never make a dollar. They looked official. They sounded official. They told people they were launching soon, but they never decided. They never decided what they were selling, who they were selling to, or what they were charging. They did the paperwork instead of the work. An LLC without a decision is just a filing fee with hopes attached. This one hurts. Someone with decades in the industry knows the game, seen wins, seen failures. But when it was time to step out on their own, they froze. Because failing as a beginner is expected. Failing with experience, that feels embarrassing. So they stayed. Underpaid, overqualified, safe. Experience didn't save them, judgment would have. I just don't feel confident yet. So they waited. They watched people do the same thing they wanted to do. They told themselves, when I feel ready. Confidence never came. Because confidence doesn't show up first. It shows up after you decide, once you make the decision. You don't gain confidence by waiting. You gain it by doing something uncomfortable and realizing you didn't die. This one is silent. Someone knows exactly what they needed to do. Raise the price. Let the client go. Walk away from a bad partnership. Admit something wasn't working. They knew, but they didn't want the fallout, didn't want the conversation, and didn't want to be the bad guy. So they delayed, and the delay cost more than the decision ever would have. Avoided decisions don't disappear. They invoice you later. Let me reset this. Adult decision making is not dramatic. It sounds like this. This is the best option with what I know. If I'm wrong, I'll adjust. I'm willing to own the outcome. No applause, no certainty, just responsibility. Business doesn't reward perfection. It rewards movement with judgment. Here's the only question that matters. What decisions do you already know you need to make, but you don't want the responsibility that comes with it? That's where the money is. That's where the growth is. That's what you keep stepping around. You don't need another podcast. You don't need another course. You don't need another confirmation. You need to decide. Mistakes are tuition, but staying stuck, that's a choice. This is Business Minded with me, your host, Angie B. Our next episode, we'll talk about why everybody wants to be an entrepreneur, but very few people want the responsibility that comes with it. If this episode encourages you and you feel that someone else needs it as well, please share, comment, and I'll see you next time.